One of the great things about MetaPWR, especially the essential oil blend, is its variety of delivery forms, which makes it easy to customize your experience with the product line. If you enjoy the flavor of MetaPWR, then the 15 milliliter bottle is perfect for flavoring your water. If you prefer your water flavorless, like me, or think it's easier to take essential oils internally when they're a pill or supplement, you'll be a fan of the beadlets and soft gels. Customization options with MetaPWR go far beyond just personal preferences. You can create a regimen with this product line that works for your personal lifestyle. Whether you're just starting on the path to healthy eating and exercise, or have been practicing intermittent fasting for years, you can use MetaPWR to reach your goals. An example of a day in the MetaPWR life might start out with mixing MetaPWR Advantage with water in a shaker bottle, along with a nutritious, high-protein breakfast. For many, dinner is usually the largest meal of the day, which makes it the perfect meal to use MetaPWR Assist. Take it before dinner, and perhaps you end your day with a MetaPWR soft gel in the evening. Another example may be for a super user of the product. This individual is working on making a significant change in their lifestyle. They start the day with taking the MetaPWR soft gel with a low-carb breakfast along with a capsule of the MetaPWR Assist. When they get their mid-morning craving, which they usually reach for a sweet, carbonated brown beverage, they could take 1 to 2 beadlets internally. Shortly before their nutritious lunch, they take another dose of MetaPWR Assist along with their MetaPWR Advantage. Dinner, they would take another MetaPWR Assist and another dose of the MetaPWR Advantage. And then to avoid the late-night snack and to support overnight metabolism, they take another MetaPWR soft gel. These are only 2 examples. Your life may follow a different schedule, and some people's schedules change from day to day. Your need for the product may be more or less depending on what you've been doing in the past. One person may be using the product to fine-tune an already vigorous, healthy lifestyle, while another may need it during an overhaul of their lifestyle to change an outcome they have recently been made aware of. But the principle still applies that you can customize your use of MetaPWR products to help you make your personal wellness realized. No matter your schedule, there are a few pillars, like Dr. Hill has talked about, that everyone needs to remember in order to achieve their own best health results. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet is at the core. Plenty of exercise and movement is essential. Both cardio and strength training are important because each offers your body unique benefits. You need cardio to support your heart health, but when it comes to supporting your metabolism, you also need to prioritize resistance training and heavy lifting. Make those muscles strong. And after you've worked those muscles, do not neglect your recovery. Sleep is almost magical for all the abundant benefits it offers our mind and health. Do what it takes to stick to a regular sleep and wake schedule. Make any changes to your sleep environment that are needed for you to get deep, restful sleep so your body can thrive. In all of these areas, remember to extend yourself patience and grace. None of us is perfect, and it is far better to find a sustainable routine than a perfect routine. Do your best for where you are at now, and you will find that with time, your best will get better than it was before you started. You may be on keto, you may be vegetarian, you may be intermittent fasting, or you may be simply choosing whole foods as the foundation for your nutrition. Regardless of wherever you are in your personal health journey, MetaPWR can help you optimize your efforts and maximize your results. Beginners and experts alike will benefit from support straight from nature with MetaPWR.